Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a condition called congenital inguinal hernia in kids. This condition is not very uncommon. We see a lot of children with swelling in the groin area or the inguinal area. So this condition is also called as congenital inguinal hernia or congenital groin hernia, and a condition called congenital hydrocele also is a similar condition. The problem in these kids is that at the time of descent of testes from the abdomen into the scrotum, the pathway is called processus vaginalis. So processus vaginalis does not close in these kids, and this patency of processus vaginalis leads to congenital hydrocele or congenital hernia. It can be on one side or both sides, so unilateral or bilateral. Now the presentation of the kids is they present with swelling in the groin region or swelling in the scrotum. Sometimes this swelling disappear on lying down or sleeping, and it appears on standing or walking or crying or coughing. So this is the presentation. Sometimes kids present with pain. The age group can be 3 to 6 months also, or can be 8 years, 10 years. So any age group children can come with congenital inguinal hernia. Now the diagnosis can be done by clinical examination and ultrasonography. And the treatment, so there is only surgical treatment available, no medical treatment or no treatment with medicines. These kids can be cured by surgery only, and this condition is very much curable by surgery. Now there are two types of surgeries available for this condition. One is open surgery and second is laparoscopic surgery. So open surgery is being done since long time, and it is good operation, but I prefer to do laparoscopic surgery for this condition.